In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw LinkedIn connection requests on mobile. If you've ever sent an invitation and then changed your mind, or you just want to clean up your pending invites, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to tap so you can tidy things up in a few seconds. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed in. From the main screen, look along the bottom of the app and tap the My Network icon. This area is where LinkedIn groups all your connections, suggestions, and invitations, so it's the easiest place to manage pending requests. On the My Network page, look for Invites. Go ahead and tap it. You'll see two sections, one for invitations you've received and another for the ones you've sent. Since we're withdrawing invites you've already sent, switch to the Sent tab. This shows a list of all your outgoing connection requests that are still pending. Find the person whose request you want to cancel and tap Withdraw next to their name. When you do, LinkedIn will show a confirmation message. It's there to make sure you're certain, and it explains an important detail. If you withdraw now, you won't be able to send a new invitation to that person for up to 3 weeks. That's normal behavior on LinkedIn and helps prevent repeated requests from hitting someone's inbox too quickly. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap Withdraw again to confirm. Once you confirm, the connection request is immediately canceled and removed from your sent list. If you refresh the page, you'll see it's no longer there. That's it, no further action is needed. Withdrawing a request doesn't remove an existing connection, it only cancels a pending invitation. It's a simple way to keep your networking clean and intentional, and it can help you avoid clutter or accidental invites. If you're ever unsure, you can always review your Sent tab first to double check who's still pending before you withdraw. And remember, because of that short waiting period, it's best to withdraw only when you're confident you don't want that request to stay pending. To recap, open the LinkedIn app, tap My Network, go into Invites, switch to Sent, tap Withdraw, next to the request you want to cancel, and confirm. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.